Hey guys, Serge here, and today I'll show you everything you need to know about GoHighLevel automations. So if you will watch this exact video to the end, you will have extra 5 hours a day because you won't be doing any following up, you won't be qualifying your leads. You can be laying on a beach and actually do nothing because GoHighLevel will do everything on his own and you will be free. So let's say you just copy exactly one-to-one what I have here. So that's the first time you will actually be working on your business, not in your business, because as I told you, GoHighLevel is that great and smart software that you won't be contacting your leads, you won't be qualifying your leads, you won't be doing anything. And once you actually get them from your Facebook lead form, you got the information. Then we got everything here in one place to actually nurture these leads, qualify these leads, and got the bread, right? But of course, I will suggest you modifying and editing these automations specifically for your niche. And people are selling these things I'm going to show you here today for hundreds or not even thousands of dollars. So you better fucking subscribe to this channel and let's go. So once our lead submits the form on the Facebook, then they are actually going into our GoHighLevel. And in this video, we'll go very specifically about one main automation. And if you are interested in getting all this backend stuff, because there are plenty of them, it's just one main thing. But to be honest with you, it's pretty complex if you would like to copy one-to-one everything on your own. But I'm willing to share with you everything for free. So if you can see value in this one automation, you will also see value in my tens of others automations that allows me to do actually nothing when it comes down just to qualifying leads and notifying my clients and everything. So right now I got this extra spare time of working on other things because GoHighLevel is doing everything for me. So if you want more automations, I can give you a link to my workflow and everything. Just send me a DM on IG or drop a comment below and yeah. So what's the trigger? Trigger is actually when our lead submits the form on a Facebook. So as you can see, here are our forms on Facebook. And once they click submit the form, we are getting their information. So we are getting their full name, we are getting their email, phone number. So we got actually everything we need. So here we assign to our client just to have everything in one place, and we are notifying. Here's notify Jake. This notification is going, especially to Jake. So it's just going to my phone and my team, and it's, hey, new opportunity monetary value, go check it out. It's just for me that, okay, new lead, that's it. It's just notifying our team. After that, we are creating new lead opportunity because we need these opportunities in one place. So if you would go back to the workflows and then we go into the opportunities, then we are having every single lead in one place. So we can, easily switch them in places if they replied positively, not replied, but also GoHighLevel takes everything on our own. So that is why I told you it's pretty complex, because actually once they go over there and we've contacted them, if they are potentially interested, then we got this all backend stuff, because then if they replied positively, there's different scenario and there are different sequences and notifications. If they didn't reply, there are also different automations. If they replied negatively, then they are going into our nurturing system. And so if you want it all, I can give it to you for free. Just send me a DM on IG. But right now we'll just focus on our main top one automation that allows us to divide our leads into a few categories. So here you got the lead, and here he's going if he replied positively, negatively, didn't reply at all these things. So here waiting for 1 minute, and after 1 minute we are texting our leads. So here you go. Hello, contact first name is business owner from business name. I just received a notification that you have filled our form on Facebook, and that is brilliant. Just wanted to send you a quick message to ask if you are looking for somebody to come out and help with properties, because my niche is real estate. So I'm asking about properties. I'm advertising for properties, and I've recorded a few videos about how to set up campaign from zero. I'm getting 25.7, I think, return on ad spend for my clients and all that stuff, so you can go check it out. But we are sending both SMS and email to our potential lead. So then after 5 minutes, we got this thing. So what has happened? So as you can over there are a few different conditions, because if they replied positively, they are getting the ad replied tag, and they are going into our different automations. So after they got this tag, they are going into different automations. There are different sequences. They got new everything. But if they replied negatively, as you will see over there, we'll go over there in a second. But as you can see, there are different things over there, different scenarios, different notifications, different everything. And once you actually set up everything on GoHighLevel, you are free. You are working on your business, not in your business. You are not doing anything when it comes down just to qualifying leads and notifying your clients and getting everything in one place. And that is why GoHighLevel is so great. They replied positively, they got replied tag going into different automations, where the trigger is opportunity got replied tag. Then there are different automations. They replied negatively. We are informing our team that, hey, contact first name replied negatively, go check it out. Just to make sure that what has happened, just to check if he really replied negatively or what is going on. And then we are adding them to our track, just to keep, these leads that replied negatively in one place, and they got replied tag negatively. So there's also different automations, they replied negatively and everything, but over there we got SMS take care. Feel free to call us or text us anytime, business name, same with email. So that was when they replied negatively. But what if they didn't reply at all? Then we send them second text and email and SMS. So, hey, business owner here, just kindly wanted to ask if you need any help with properties, looking forward to your answer. Just making sure if maybe they didn't get our first message, maybe they didn't see it at all. Just making sure that, because it's not always that you send first text and you always got reply. No. You have to calm down, because actually when it comes down to contacting your leads, they most often don't reply to our first message. It's even second message, third message. Sometimes they are going into nurturing automation and they replied after 6th or 7th text. So it's just to make sure that you need to set up everything just to not lose any leads and convert them and get results like to the moon, right? So then we are after second text, we are waiting 3 hours, and then also what has happened? Replied positively, great. Replied tag, different automation. Replied negatively, I'm notifying my team and myself. Replied negatively, great. And here we are connecting to our SMS take care, and then we're adding reply tag negatively and also different automations. So as you can see, once you set up everything correctly, you got so much fucking time to do anything you want. You can then just focus, maybe more importantly, just on acquisition, not necessarily doing anything beforehand. Just once you got the leads, they are going into our washer machine and they are, washing. If they are clean, then they are going into our clients. If they are still dirty, we are nurturing them. Our clients don't do anything when it comes down to qualifying leads, because what we do, it's so important to qualify these leads. So not only you are generating leads, because some of these leads might be, Tom Hanks email number, Tom Hanks 6969, phone number 6969. You know what I mean? Some of these might fake leads, and once you actually send to your clients these fake leads, they might be pissed. So you don't want to do anything of that, because we are notifying. Sorry about that. As you can see, live, new client. How are you, brother? New client on WhatsApp. That's it. That's what I am fucking talking about. So, but going back into our video, I was saying, I'm notifying my clients only if too busy boys. After only they came into our 5-step qualification process. So if they contacted, if they spent some time with us, if they are still interested, only then we are contacting our clients, and then they are going into landing page, booking a meeting, closing deal, get easy money. That's how it works. But they didn't reply. There we are waiting another 4 hours. Another what has happened, reply tag. If they replied positively, we are replying. We are adding reply tag. Another, as I told you, another automation. Negative. We are connecting it over there. Just our SMS take care, email take care. If they did not reply yet, then we are also adding to track, because it's so important to get in a Google spreadsheet every single lead you've generated. So even they are, not interested at all, if they didn't reply positively, negatively, whatever, you need their information, because you might set up a new newsletter. You got the emails, you got the contacts, you got everything. So keep track of everything. Maybe I can give you a hint, because I thought this video will be too long, but I can show you if they replied positively. So let's go over there. So as you can see, opportunity created when replied looking for a quote, change it to replied trigger. We got someone who replied positively. Then we are waiting. Internal notification. Who? To my clients. Hey, business owner, my company just generated a new potential customer. We have been in contact with them and they have replied and looking for somebody to come around and have a look at properties with them. Call them as soon as possible. And here's their contact, their first name, last name, phone number, budget, and time frame, because we are asking in our Facebook forms. I've been showing you in this last video how to set up everything. We are asking few questions there, and to be exactly 6 questions. So it's not like just give us your phone number and you'll go. No. We want to also qualify them on our Facebook. So what we are doing, asking what's their budget, if they purchased a property before, what's the time frame, and etc. We are just asking these questions not only to qualify them on GoHighLevel, but also to qualify them on Facebook lead form. So once they replied positively, we are notifying our clients, and then we are waiting a few days just to asking, hey, Jake here, contacting you on behalf of customer business name. Just wanted to personally send you a quick text message to see if our business owner had been in touch with you about properties. Just know, sometimes you notify your clients, but they did not call the lead, they didn't text lead, they didn't do anything. It's always great, just to make... Okay guys, I'm back. I had a little break because my clients, too plenty of them. So going back. So then we are waiting 2 days, because sometimes our clients don't necessarily call them because they maybe didn't see our message that they got new hot lead and they have to call them. So we are just checking if they were contacted for a quote. If yes, different automations. If not, different automations. If our contact that didn't reply. So right now we are sending an information to our potential client. So to the lead that's into the form. If they hadn't replied to this message, we are checking second time and then waiting 3 days. So Jake again, contacting on behalf of business name, just checking in to see if too many clients, sorry. If business owner had been in touch yet, helping out with you with properties, then waiting another 3 days, just making sure we are not losing any leads, and every single of them is as nurtured as possible, and we are doing such a great care of these leads, and that our clients are closing as many of them as possible. So same here, also checking 3 days, waiting, and here nobody contacted lead, and then we are notifying our clients, hey, you have not contacted our lead, please do it as soon as possible, name, phone, email. Then they got it, everything done. So guys, today is just a hint what you can do with this best software possible. If you want to run a successful SMMA, use it. And if you want everything, that all my automations just send me a DM on IG or drop a comment below and I will send it to you for free. Just please let me know, and that's it for today. So peace.